Satoshi Nakamoto identity revealed. Do you want to know the last information about all this and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Rodrigo Arnedo, fan on the right, crypto to the max. We have today this HBO documentary out there, Money Electric, the Bitcoin Mystery, where allegedly they were going to tell us how it's possible to know Bitcoin founder identity, Satoshi Nakamoto, and you can watch it. I already paid my 10 euros for 1 month just to watch this documentary yesterday so that we can comment on it today. Well, finally, in the documentary, they say that Peter Todd is the guy that is behind Bitcoin. This is allegedly Satoshi Nakamoto, according to the creators of the documentary. But Peter Todd, this guy, denied claims made in that HBO documentary. He's not Satoshi Nakamoto. So now we have a lot of controversy out there. Ahead to the documentary release, Todd dismissed the claim, and then after it, he refused being Satoshi Nakamoto once more. How and what's proof for him being Satoshi Nakamoto? Well, this is all because some posts they have on Bitcoin Talk forum replying to Satoshi Nakamoto. Allegedly, this guy made an accident replying with a different account following a post that Satoshi Nakamoto was written. But they say this is nonsense. And well, this is imagination of the documentary creation that, well, maybe that was a mistake, but it's perfectly possible too that it was just a post from Satoshi Nakamoto and then we have the reply from this guy. So funny stuff out there. Peter Todd here saying officially, I'm not Satoshi. Have footage from the Satoshi Nakamoto, the real one, going towards HBO headquarters, not happy with the result of the documentary. Also, some footage of him when he said that he was moving into other things he was done with Bitcoin and he was not going to reveal his identity as it's not interesting for Bitcoin interest. Remember that with ego and things like that. If you have a head, well, you can smash that head. You need to be a starfish, like we wrote in that precious book, The Starfish and the Spider. Here, Ryan Noner telling us that, well, this was a market campaign for HBO. This is clickbait, of course. And then, well, you have people watching the documentary and also people losing money betting on Polymarket. Who will HBO Doc Identity set as Satoshi? And we had people saying that would be Paul Rocks, Gavin Wood, Nick Savo, Kite Wright, Lynn Sassaman, Hal Finney, Dorian Nakamoto, Webdye, Adam Back, Gabby Anderson. Well, even Elon Musk. So which of these do you think that is Satoshi Nakamoto? we created, of course, remember, a saga of videos with the crypto stars. And on this crypto stars section, you have a video about Hal Finney that I believe that might be the one. So which one do you think can be? And remember that if you want to make some money betting, well, you have Polymarket, which is crypto place where you can bet on election years and things like who is Satoshi Nakamoto. The documentary in HBO so criticized here actual footage of HBO doing the research for the Bitcoin documentary. So yeah, everybody making fun of this guy. And of course, the thoughts that we don't need to know who Satoshi Nakamoto is, that we all are Satoshi Nakamoto. In the end, my opinion about the documentary, well, I think it's a good documentary because you can learn a lot of things. I have 2 pages full of information. Of course, you have this stone. Of course, you have these drug things, and this is a bad stuff, and it's used by criminals, etc., etc. But in the end, if you can just separate the clickbait and all this documentary music and drama that they need to have people paying attention to the screen, well, you know about Bitcoin, you know about mining, you know about El Salvador, you know about the technology that is behind it, and you know a lot about so many actors behind it. Samson Moe, Adam Back, Amir Taki, Gavin Anderson, Roger Ver. Also, you have Nori Rubini, Dr. Doom, Peter Todd, Greg Maxwell, Hal Finney, Nick Szabo, Wei Dai, Yang Gang, even Prime Minister for Montenegro, and John Dillon, allegedly existing character out there. Well, you learn about this, you learn about blockchain, you learn about cypherpunks, and so many things. So yeah, even though the final hypothesis it's quite funny and we have no clue who Satoshi Nakamoto is, it is a good thing and you learn a lot of stuff if you watch it. So I will recommend it, just knowing that there's going to be things that you like and things that you hate, of course. But I believe there's truth everywhere. There's truth with the trolls, there's truth with the academic people, with the Bitcoin maxis, with the cypherpunks, and with the other people in the other side of the spectrum. There's truth all over the place. You just need to be curious and try to find that truth. And moving on to other crypto news today, the US government now is free to sell 69,370 Bitcoin confiscated from Silk Road. That's not good. United States may be selling more Bitcoin. That's not good for Bitcoin price. That's not good for United States interests. Also, regulators out there trying to make things worse. Now, Crypto.com is receiving a Wells notice from the SEC, even though we have also good news. Like, for example, the ETF yesterday, we had a good day for those. And Bitwise is now releasing an ETP in Europe, so that's more cryptocurrency adoption. Also, Coinbase customers can now send Bitcoin to Taproot-enabled wallets. Maybe that's of your interest. And the National Bank of Bahrain is launching the first Bitcoin investment product in the country. More and more good news may be that Brazil is done with X-Van, so good for freedom of speech and also for cryptocurrencies. I found this tweet out there, this X, saying that Jim Cramer is turning bearish on Bitcoin and crypto, which would be good for our interests, but I couldn't really find that. What I found was this tweet, where will the whole China money flow back to this morning, crypto or technological in United States? And the thing is that in Hong Kong, we have a crash of 9.4%. We have this scandal in Chinese stock market. And we told you in previous videos that that money will come back into crypto. We'll see about that. FTX news. Now we have this judge approving the FTX bankruptcy plan to fully repay crypto customers in cash with interest. Good stuff also that Michael Saylor MicroStrategy is owning now more Bitcoin than the US and China. So yeah, China and United States making moves, and also Michael Saylor with MicroStrategy, the stock surged over 6%. So are you neutral, fearing, or in the grid? Bitcoin just like this cat trapped all the time between 60K and 65K. Hopefully it will break in the upper side. And Michael Van de Poppe telling us here that today we have the minutes from the FOMC. So we might have some reaction in United States stock market because of that. Bitcoin price a little bit down, but still between the lines. Watch previous videos for analysis. We told you about the engulfing flum candle and the reversal trend that seems to be on the works. Also that we still in the 2023 track. Watch previous videos. Dollar is going up, not good. And the stock market today in China going down like crazy, good in Japan and maybe good in United States. We'll see about that today. Remember that in the last video, we showed you all the possible scenarios for October. So if you haven't, go there and watch the explanation. And try to be patient, because as Quinten is here telling us, it's so obvious where we are in the Bitcoin cycle, yet so many people are too impatient. When people ask you what's the matter with Bitcoin, why it's not performing, just respond that Bitcoin is the best performing asset class on earth this year, as we discussed in the last crypto news. Bubbles on the red, bubbles on the green. Remember, you can follow all this with dextools.io. If you go there today, of course, you're going to find Satoshi Crypto here and there, Peter Crypto, all these cryptocurrencies created because of HBO drama. And Dex Tools telling us that they're proud announcing that they did their biggest Dex Born event at Dex Force Festival. 7 million Dex worth $4 million, which is amazing for Dex Tools and Dex Token. Also about our partners, now Trezor is giving away a Trezor Safe 3 plus an onboarding session with a Trezor expert. You just have to follow, retweet the post, and the things you find in the link below. Also remember, they have a discount for Model 1 and Model T. Very interesting for the best cold wallet out there. And remember, of course, that you always have a 10% discount using our link in the description below for coin tracking, the portfolio tracker that I myself are using. Bitcoin saying goodbye in the cat section again, with this one in the 60-65, and this other one reminding us that it's a long jump, it requires patience, but we might made it to the other side eventually. Learning, of course, about AI with our channel Intelligence Artificial, and about crypto and freedom here on Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnido, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!